top-tier kitchen remodeling services in Kaysville, Utah. Thinking about upgrading your kitchen? EagleRidge is your trusted partner for top-tier kitchen remodeling and renovation in Kaysville, Utah, 84037. From modern makeovers to timeless classics, we specialize in transforming kitchens into stunning, functional spaces tailored to your needs. Our expert team handles every aspect of kitchen remodeling, including cabinet installation, countertop upgrades, flooring solutions, and lighting enhancements. We offer custom cabinetry featuring high-quality wood finishes, soft close drawers, and optimized storage solutions. Whether you prefer granite, quartz, or marble countertops, we ensure durability and elegance. Flooring options include tile, hardwood, and vinyl, designed for both style and practicality. We also install stylish backsplashes, recessed lighting, and under-cabinet lighting to enhance your kitchen's ambiance. Need new appliances? We handle professional installation for ovens, stoves, refrigerators, and dishwashers. EagleRidge also offers expert plumbing and electrical services, from installing modern sinks and faucets to integrating smart home features for a seamless kitchen experience. We have the expertise to bring your vision to life if you're considering structural modifications like wall removal for an open concept layout. With a reputation for superior craftsmanship, attention to detail, and timely project completion, EagleRidge is the go-to choice for homeowners in Kaysville. Ready to create your dream kitchen? Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com to schedule your free estimate.